After this Bitcoin bearish divergence, Bitcoin has been getting an ever so slight correction back towards the downside. But guys, do not get fooled by this Bitcoin move over here. This is going to be a massive trap for Bitcoin, and in this video I am going to be explaining exactly why. So this is going to be something very important you definitely do not want to miss. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, of course, like I've been explaining yesterday and even the day before, well, even though we are getting this massive breakout right here for Bitcoin in that larger time frame, well, in that short time frame, Bitcoin is rather looking a little bit more weak. We have been creating these bearish divergences over here, and because of this, I've been saying that in a short term, a little bit of a short term cool off is going to be extremely likely, and that we are going to be retesting this Bitcoin bull flag pattern, which we have been exactly doing. We've been coming back down towards this level of support, this horizontal level of support over here, looking very good, and at the same time coming back to retest this massive breakout over here. So that is going to be extremely insane for Bitcoin. Right now, finally flipping this most important level of resistance in towards support. So let's see if we can indeed be holding above it, if we can be seeing a bounce from off this level over here, if we can be indeed seeing a bounce from off this level over here. Guys, definitely this breakout is about to continue, and we are about to see way more momentum towards the upside. I think that this is just going to be the beginning of a much bigger move towards the upside, and that is why, while I have been saying that in the short term a little bit of a cool off is going to be inevitable, well, do not get trapped by this Bitcoin move, because a way bigger move towards the upside is about to be initiated. So yes, anyways guys, of course, the Bitcoin trend is towards the upside right now at this current moment. We've been flipping this Bitcoin downtrend in towards an uptrend over here. We've been creating another higher high at this current moment over here. So yes, if we were to be seeing a little bit of a further correction, well, another higher low is going to be inevitable anytime soon, and in that case, well, another high is going to be inevitable after that, of course. But I do still think that we are about to see another higher high being created over here, and that we are about to push even higher than this high over here. But anyways, it is going to be all depending on what the reaction from of this level over here is going to be. Are we going to be seeing this level getting held? Are we going to be seeing a bounce from of this level over here? Well, I do think it is going to be very likely, but let's see what reaction we are going to be getting in the coming few days. Anyways, yes guys, we are inside of another very bullish week, in another very bullish month. Of course, we are in the month of October. Historically speaking, the month of October has been very bullish. We've seen a +6% month right now at this current moment, but the average month for October has been +21%. So we are still about to see a lot more coming for this month of October, pretty likely. Anyways, yes, these next 2 weeks have also historically speaking been very bullish for Bitcoin, +4% for this week, and in the next week we have been historically speaking been seeing +10%. So yeah, 2 very bullish weeks right now for Bitcoin. And also, that is why I've been saying that maybe in the beginning of the month of October we're going to be seeing a little bit of a sell-off, a little bit of a cool-off, but in the end of the month of October we are going to be seeing some very bullish price action, and well, that is exactly playing out, right? Anyways, yes, the stock market is still pushing even higher towards the upside, looking very good. And yes, finally Bitcoin is catching up with the stock market. It is catching up ever so slightly. Now yeah, let's see if the stock market is going to be pushing even higher and is going to be seeing this momentum actually continuing. I think Bitcoin is only going to be next, with also reaching these new all-time highs. Of course, gold is also still pushing even higher towards the upside. So I just think that Bitcoin is, it's only going to be a matter of time before Bitcoin is going to be next with pushing towards new all-time highs. Of course, usually these traditional markets tend to be first with these massive moves, creating new all-time highs, but then Bitcoin follows just a few months after the stock market and the traditional markets actually have been creating new all-time highs. Bitcoin is just going to be next a few months after. So let's see if Bitcoin is indeed going to be following this next. Anyways guys, the Bitcoin funding rates are still, yeah, getting a little bit higher. This is of course not looking very good. However, yeah, while they have been moving a little bit higher, they're definitely not in areas where we should be getting worried at all. We can definitely still move even higher with these Bitcoin funding rates over here. So yeah, take it with a grain of salt. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out these two links down below. Because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. And over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a $500 free trade and a $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking it out with these two links down below. Anyways, yes, if we're still just going to be zooming out, I think that this is going to be only the beginning of a way bigger move towards the upside about to be getting initiated. Of course, right now we are looking to be retesting this wolf-like pattern. At this current moment, this is going to be a huge make it or break it decision point. Are we going to be successfully retesting it, or are we going to be falling down back down below it? Now, if we are going to be successfully retesting this point over here, then definitely I think a move like this is going to be next. Of course, during the last summer, we've been creating a similar kind of movement with a similar wolf-like pattern, and eventually we got this breakout towards the upside over here, and we got initiated this massive move towards the upside. I think we are going to be seeing absolutely something very similar if we are indeed going to be retesting this move over here. So it is going to be absolutely insane for Bitcoin. Also, right now, only in 14 days, we are going to be getting our US elections, and it is definitely looking like Trump is going to be winning these elections over here. Let's see if it is going to be indeed happening. If Trump is going to be winning these US elections, it is going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin market. But anyways, regardless who is going to be winning, the US elections have always been very bullish for Bitcoin. Always after the US elections, Bitcoin has always gone parabolic. So this time will be probably no different. Let's see if it is going to be happening again. Always right after the US elections, Bitcoin has started to exactly go parabolic. So let's see if it is going to be happening again. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.